Hey everyone, this is Karan back with another video. So today I'm going to show you something I recently got for this particular watch, and that is the StrapCode Super O Boyer fitted bracelet with the fitted end links for the Seiko Sumo. So this is the Seiko Sumo SPB125 I, the Black Series limited edition of 7,000 pieces that I got recently. I also unboxed it and I made a video which you can check out in the description box below. And I also got feedback from a lot of viewers that I should post a wrist shot and at least put the watch on my wrist and show how it wears when I make a video. So thank you for the feedback. Here you go. As you can see, this watch is I think the Sumo case size. The wear, the fit is amazing. It wears really well. And like I said in that video, it's my first Sumo watch from Seiko and I'm really enjoying it. I've worn it on the rubber strap once, as you can see here in the wrist shot. But I don't like the rubber strap. I don't like the Seiko rubber straps. These are lint magnets. They attract a lot of dust. So I've been waiting very impatiently, to be honest, for this bracelet. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the bracelet close up, and from there we can proceed. So strapcode.com. I think there's a troubleshooting guide for what happens if the bracelet end links don't fit. So the bracelet end links are covered with the rubber protector there. It's the Super O Boyer, which is another name StrapCode uses for oyster style bracelets. Is not the only black bracelet with Seiko Sumo fitted end links, but they also have the Jubilee style J. Lewis. And so the moment this came on for sale, I just had to have it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack this, size it, and I'm going to take off the rubber strap like that. So let me tell you a quick couple of things about the bracelet. It's very easy to size. That's because it has plated screws. So thankfully they're black, not an odd white color, steel colored. These screws are really easy to remove. Therefore I took out 3 links, 2 from the tail end of the watch and 1 from the top end of the watch. So the rubber protectors kind of were protecting the pair of spring bars that StrapCode also sends with their watch, and these are as good as the original Seiko spring bars. So that's an added touch, and it's wonderful to know that StrapCode takes care of its customers. So now I'm going to put this bracelet onto this watch, and there you go. So fitted bracelet, the bracelet end links fit flush with the lugs. There's no discernible gap anywhere. And without much further ado, oh, there's plastic there as well. There you go. Let me put it on and show you how it wears with the bracelet on. It's a little very slightly loose, but that's okay. And look at that. Completely fitted bracelet. Looks amazing. Completes the Sumo look for me. And now this is one of the most perfect black watches in my collection. I mean, I'm a stickler for bracelets and I really like them. So look at that, perfect fit. Stay tuned for more shots on my Instagram account. Thanks for watching.